getting to know each other. Hi, are you new here?
Yes, I am.
Are you a student?
Yes, I am. I'm in the first year. Am I in the right classroom?
Yes, you are. This is English class.
The English teacher is nice?
Yes, she is. She's very friendly.
Is she strict?
No, she isn't.
Is that boy your friend?
Yes, he is. His name is Daniel.
Is he funny?
Yes, he is.
Is this your first English class?
No, it isn't. I started last week.
Are we late for class?
No, we aren't. We're on time.
Are they our classmates?
Yes, they are. They're very nice.
Are they from the city?
No, they aren't. They're from other places.
Is this school big?
Yes, it is. It has many students. Are you happy to be here?
Yes, I am.
Me too.
Like and subscribe to the channel.